Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to day 4 of Writer's Workshop. If you've scanned this code, you are an OWL writer. Today we're going to be focusing on having a closing sentence and using our fix-it-up checklist to do our work. So if you can make sure you have your writing paper, your fix-it-up checklist, and a pencil, pause the video, get your materials. Welcome back, boys and girls. Let's talk about a closing sentence. You can finish up your writing with a closing sentence. And I have closing starters. You could say something like, in conclusion, or you can end your writing with, to end with, or I learned, or you can say, as you can see, or for these reasons. These are a lot of great examples to end your writing. I'm going to choose this one, as you can see, because I think it fits best with our garden writing. So here we go. Let's review my writing from yesterday. In my opinion, I would like to grow cilantro. My first reason is I can use the cilantro to make salsa. My next reason is cilantro is delicious in many meals. As you can see how I added in my closing starter? As you can see, cilantro is what I would like to grow. Now, I haven't looked at my writing since yesterday, and oh my, have you guys noticed I made a lot of errors? But that's okay, that's what your fix-it-up checklist is for. Let's go through it one by one, and when I'm done going through my writing, I want you to take time to really look at your writing and fix your mistakes. Here we go. So I have my fix-it-up checklist. The first one says, I have a title for my writing. Lucky you, Miss Jensen made a title for you. It says, what would you like to grow in a garden? That's an easy check. So check. Next one, I can begin my sentence with an uppercase letter. Oh, I think I made some mistakes on that. Let's see how many. Yep. So I accidentally started capitalizing just because I started a new line. And when you start a new line, that doesn't mean you make a capital letter. You only do a capital letter after punctuation. So here we go. My first reason is I can use the, so that needs to change. And then I went into my second reason. My next reason, so there should be a period here, an uppercase here, and then just because I'm on a new line doesn't mean there should be an uppercase. I need to fix that. Here we go. There we go. I fixed it. Now, if you look up here, I need to make sure I have finger spaces. As you can see, there's not a finger space here. I must have been rushing or something. Let me fix that. Voila. So I have my capitals fixed. I have my finger spaces fixed. Did I add all my punctuation? I think I fixed that when I fixed my uppercase letters. Yep. I have my first sentence, my next sentence, period, and there we go. So I have all of my punctuation. Next up, my sentence makes sense. Yep, I've read it several times and it definitely makes sense. Awesome. Let me make sure I spelt my words correctly. Eels. I know if I say the vowels that I've been thinking about these two words. They cannot be right because eels, I'm saying the vowel name. That must be a vowel team like I learned in my earlier room. And grow, I know up here grow has that W. Sometimes O can be OW. Let me fix that. There we go. Vowel team, and I have my OW, another vowel team. So I fixed my spelling. I know for sure my handwriting's neat. That's something I'm an expert at. Did I use any descriptive words? Sparkle words? I know I used the word delicious. That was a great sparkle word, but what else can I add? The cilantro, I can use the cilantro to make salsa. I bet I can add in a really good sparkle word there. I can use the cilantro to make tasty salsa. Ooh, that was a good one, Miss Jensen. All right, I used sparkle words, and now all I have to do is I'm gonna stop my video and I'm gonna go color my picture, and then I will be done. You guys, I worked so hard on this writing. What do you think? You think it's awesome? All right, I want you to stop the video and I want you to use your Fix It Up checklist for your writing. I bet it's amazing.